Okay, funny. Whoa.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me again. What's happening? I don't know, every time I say my intro, like when I say what's happening, I just want to be like, dance with me, hey, dance with me, hey. What? All right, nah, let me stop. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. Thank you for tuning in. Obviously, as you can see from the title of this video, we are doing this tutorial for a sleek bun, low bun. I don't know why I couldn't just say that right now. We are doing a tutorial for a low sleek bun with, like, you know, added hair or whatever. Not gonna talk too much. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy hair tutorials, hair videos, or, you know, just my videos, period. Also, please hit the subscribe button down below because you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos. Hit that bell, post notification, so you can know when I post a new video as well. But yeah, I will see you guys in just a second. Let's go ahead and get on into the tutorial. All right, guys. I just took my braids out, so that's why I look like a black who. Let's get started. I got all the stuff I need. I got my laid by layer edge control. If you haven't checked that video out of me reviewing the product, go ahead, click the link above. Here is the spray bottle. I have a comb, I have a brush, and I have an edge brush. I actually have another brush. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. So last night after work, after the gym, I went to Wow Beauty Supply, which is like a beauty supply store here in the Valley, and I got some gel. I needed some Eco Styler gel, and I also picked up a sample size of the Got To Be Glued gel as well. But bitch, okay. I am so sick and motherfucking tired of running out of gel. So you know what I picked up, bitch? A bucket. I got a bucket of gel. Isn't this crazy? Like, look at the size of this compared to my head. Insane. But yeah, shout out to Wow for having this bucket of gel that I'll be using in today's video. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna spray my hair a little bit with some water just so it's easier to comb out. All right, cool. So now that my hair is combed out, I'm going to go ahead and just part it in the middle. That wasn't good. Okay, cool. I'm looking over here because there's a mirror over there. Just FYI. It's not like super straight, super in the middle, but it'll do. So now I just go in with the gel that I was talking about earlier. This is just the Eco Styler professional styling gel in the crystal one. And I lather my hair in gel, to be honest. So we're gonna put a lot of gel. And I like coat it in my hands, as you can see, and then just place it around the perimeter of my hair. Don't forget about the back too, because even though it's a low ponytail, we still want that back sleeked as well. I just have a little rag that I'm gonna wipe my hands on. Now I'm going in with my brush, and I'm just gonna brush it down, basically, smooth it up. I brush it quite a few times, if you can't tell, just to make sure the product is evenly coated and we're getting the slickest ponytail we could possibly achieve. Now, I'm gonna go in with this sample of the Got To Be Glued gel, and I'm just gonna squirt a generous amount on my hand, like so. Spread it across, and then place it on top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my hair into the ponytail. I'm using 2 hair ties to make sure it's like super secured, especially since we're putting weave around it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and switch brushes. I picked up this brush at Wow, and it's like a, you know, the bristles are fresh, so it's extra crispy and hard, so that's what I need right now. Now I'm just gonna smooth it out with my hands and put it in the ponytail. And I am making it into a bun. like so. All right. Okay, now I put a scarf on. I let this sit for a little bit. Then I'll come back, do the weave around the ponytail, slick the edges, and call it a day. Okay, I'll be back. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off my scarf now. I've had it sitting for probably like 20 minutes maybe. I don't know. Voila. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the Laid by Lyra edge control and an edge brush. I need a little mirror. When I do my edges for this ponytail, I don't, like, I literally just slick them back pretty much because I don't want them to take away from the sleekness of the ponytail. I also take some, like, right at the part line to really define that as well. And I even go in the back of my head with some of the edge control too, so that part don't be sticking out looking crazy. Now what I'll go ahead and do is go back in with my black brush and like kind of blend it together. And I'm not really brushing it, I'm just using the sides of the brush bristles. Then I like to go in with just a tad bit, like I get a little bit on my knuckle, and then spread that across the palm of my hands and just slick it down. Now I'm gonna lay a silk scarf down for just like 5 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, so let me take the dew off now. I'm talking slickety slick slick, bitch. What? Yeah. So I'm going in with this bundle actually of this Burmese curly hair from White Label Hair Company. I bought this hair back in 2016, the end of 2000, like literally right before 2017, I'm pretty sure. I had an extra bundle for the longest time, and the older hair that I had is just like gotten old, you know, and I don't want to use it as ponytail hair anymore. So I unraveled this one not too long ago, and I've been using this. So I don't do like a super secure method for this because I am super temporary hairstyle for me. Like I don't like sleeping in ponytails, so I just wrap this around the bun of my head. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see, and I'm gonna start with the wrapping. I do secure it with bobby pins at the end, but at this beginning I do not. So I just place the track down and hold it down, switching hands, and then I grab the other side of the track from underneath and just wrap it around. And I pull pretty tight to make sure that it's as secure as possible. You want to make sure that you kind of like keep the track clear so that it doesn't get all twisted up with the actual hair, which I was kind of doing a bad job of, but it's okay. Alright, now that I'm at the end, I'm going to go ahead and tuck it. I'm going to grab the last strands of hair that are connected to the end of the track and just wrap it around and then tuck it. Okay? Now some people like to just wear it as a ponytail. I would of course spruce it up and stuff if that was the case. But I do want to do a bun today. So I'm going to kind of go through it with my fingers. Alright. Now I'm just going to wrap the hair around and kind of play with it so it's kind of at where I want it. And now I'm gonna bobby pin it. I'm actually like allergic to bobby pins. I don't know if you guys are like that as well, where you kind of like sensitive and your scalp will get irritated. So I try to avoid like actually contact with my scalp with the bobby pin. It's hard to explain, but if you get it, you get it. If not, I'm sorry. Just like kind of just try to put the bobby pin through your bun instead of like on your scalp if you have irritation towards bobby pins. This is a lot of hair, so it's kind of hard to get the bobby pin in sometimes. It might be a little bit of struggle. All right, you guys, we are all finished. This is the finished sleek bun tutorial I have for y'all. Super easy. I mean, I am no stylist, okay, when it comes to the hair. I'm not the guru for it, but you know, I got a couple little tricks and tips up my sleeve, you know what I'm saying? So this is it. This is very simple. This is the bun. Give you guys a 360 real quick. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys soon. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any questions, suggestions, or just say hi. And please, please, please subscribe. We are at 399 subscribers. Let's get to 400 real quick, okay? I thought I was at 400, like it said I was at 400 and then it went down to 399. I don't know. So let's go ahead and just get it to like 403 so we secure, okay? Anyways, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. And yeah, stay blessed. Bye.